On this episode of Shiny G88's Computer Repair, I show you if a garage door opener wall button will power on a standard desktop PC. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you if a garage door opener wall button can be used as a power switch. So as you can see here, I have the wires already stripped, not stripped but cut, and we're going to see if this actually works. And I just want to see if so this is an experiment. I gotta get those wires apart. Just give me 1 second. Okay. Alright, because when I show you the button, it's going to be there we go. Alright. So I split those wires down, and this is what the button looks like. This is what the opener button looks like. This is for models, garage door opener models 2011 lower. It says it on the box. Check compatibility. So there's an actual light in here, but it's not gonna, if this works, the light won't light up because I'm using this button in another purpose that it's not meant to be used. So not everything is going to work. So what I got to do is first I got to undo the screw here. So what I'm going to do, and make sure when you do this, the power supply on the back, if there's a switch, turn it off. If there's not, unplug it. So now what I do is I take this wire, actually this wire, and I wrap it around here. Here, let me move that so that way you can see. Just like that. So now the wire is attached, as you can see. So now I got to do the negative one here, the ground, as they would say. Alright, so as you can see now, everything is hooked up. So if this works, you're going to see these drives light up. It works. You saw the light. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to hold this. Alright. This reads that it's getting power from wherever it is. Right? So I have the switch right here. Watch this. It works. What does that mean? This means that the garage door opener button is 12 volts DC. So when you plug it into your opener, 12 volts or 5 volts, depending on what happens, I'm not too familiar with garage door openers, is going through the switch. Now, if I want to get the light to work, I will have to do something different because there's not enough power from the board to power it. But it works. Here, I'll show you again. Right? You see I have my hand on the switch. I'm going to push it. It works. Pretty cool, huh? This switch is actually working. I'm going to turn it off again. There we go. This is my thumb. You see me moving it. Watch. It's working. Pretty cool, huh? So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.